The Lord be with you.
And with your
A
spirit.
reading from the Holy Gospel according to John.
Glory to you, O Lord.
Pilate said to Jesus, "Are you the King of the Jews?" Jesus answered, "Do you say this on your own, or have others told you about me?" Pilate answered, "I am not a Jew, am I? Your own nation and the chief priests handed you over to me. What have you done?" Jesus answered, "My kingdom does not belong to this world. If my kingdom did belong to this world, my attendants would be fighting to keep me from being handed over to the Jews. But as it is, my kingdom is not here." So Pilate said to him, "Then you are a king." Jesus answered, "You say I am a king. For this I was born, for this I came into the world, to testify to the truth. Everyone who belongs to the truth listens to my voice." Brothers and sisters, the Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ. Please be seated.
So magandang umaga po sa kanilang lahat. Mabuti nakapagsimba kayo dito ngayon. Christ the King. Dapat mamaya sa komunyon, huwag tatakbo basta. Dapat your soul is in the right condition para tumanggap ng komunyon. Dapat walang mortal sin. Kung hindi, alam nyo dito sa Manawag, ang katabing chapel, Paschal Chapel, araw-araw may kumpisalan. Kung ang pinakamabigat na sakramento, pinakamalaga na sakramento ay ang Eucharist, nung tinatanggap natin komunyon, pinakamabigat na dasal ay ang Santa Misa. Behind that, napaka-importante ang ating pangungumpisal. Learn to go to confession regularly. Huwag yung basta-basta magkukomunyon. Maya't maya maglilinis kayo ng inyong kaluluwa. Mahirap mahuli ng ating katapusan na meron tayong mabigat na kasalanan. Swerte tayo pag may matawag na pare at tayo mangungumpisa last confession before closing our eyes. Kasi ang tawag dyan, ang first death, ang pagpikit ng ating mata. Second death, after facing the judge sa taas, kung ano ating pinagagawa dito sa mundo. Ituloy natin ang ating pagrorosaryo. Hingin natin ang tulong ng mahal na Birhen na maya't maya tutulungan tayo, bubulungan tayo, iwasan ang kasalanan at ipagdasal ang iba, lalo na mga kilala nating hindi na nagsisimba at matagal nang hindi nangungumpisal. Yan din ang tatanong na isa inyong sarili. When was the last time I went to confession? Tahimik kayo dyan. Kasi sasabihin nyo sa akin, 1 year ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 4 years ago. Delikado yan. Mamaya pagpikit natin, madidisgrasya ang ating kaluluwa.